Hey everyone, let's make some ham steaks for our holiday ham. This isn't the traditional spiral ham or the traditional whole bone in ham. This is for ham steaks. This is for someone who doesn't need a lot of ham, but enough to feed a small amount of people where it can taste good and you have that brown sugar flavor. So let's go ahead and let's get into this video. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. The first ingredient that you will need, of course, you're gonna need some ham to make this delicious brown sugar ham for your holiday recipe. You can use this at Christmas. You can use this at New Year's. You can use this on Easter, Soul Food Sunday, Thanksgiving, or any time of the year that you would like to have some delicious brown sugar ham. So we are going to use some ham steaks because it's not a lot of us, but this will serve, I would say, up to about 8 people. And this is the price that I paid for this ham steak, $5.37. And I paid $5.20 for this ham steak at Aldi's. So I got both of these ham steaks at Aldi's for a reasonable price. Okay, let's move on to the next ingredients. I will be using some dry prepared mustard. I will be using some flour. And I will be using some brown sugar. If you would like to know the exact measurements, they will be listed in the description box. Dry prepared mustard, flour, and brown sugar. Regular whole white sweet milk. It has to be sweet milk. You will need some cherries, okay? These are the cherries that I will be using for this delicious holiday ham recipe. This brown sugar holiday ham recipe. Pineapple slices, sliced pineapples. Now, you can find this can for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Okay? I'm just giving you some roundabout prices so you can estimate how much you may want to spend as well. Choose a baking dish large enough for you to put your ham in. Okay, I got this baking dish from the Dollar Tree. It's aluminum, easy cleanup. You can, once you're finished cooking, you can take your ham off, put it on your serving tray, and you can throw this away. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. This bowl to mix all of my ingredients in. So get your bowl big enough to put your ingredients in, not your milk, but your mustard, your flour, and your brown sugar. Okay, so this recipe is about to be extremely simple, really, really easy, y'all. Okay, so we're going to take our flour, pour it into the mixing bowl. Take your dry mustard, pour it into the mixing bowl. Take your brown sugar, and you're gonna pour it into the mixing bowl. And we are going to mix these ingredients together. Real easy, okay? I will list all these ingredients in the description box and the instructions in the description box so that you can have the perfect holiday ham recipe. Whether you choose to have this for breakfast or for your dinner or for your brunch for this Christmas. Okay, so make sure you place both of your ham steaks into your baking dish. Now with our mixture, we are going to rub these into our ham steaks on both sides, not just one side. So cover it on one side and make sure you save some for the second side. And you're just gonna rub it in your steaks onto your ham like so. Make sure that it's 2 inches thick ham in order for this recipe to turn out properly, okay? Okay, so now we have to cover this ham with milk completely, okay? Put your oven temperature to 350 degrees. We're gonna put our timer at 1 hour. And we'll be back in 1 hour. Okay everyone, so my ham steaks are done. Remember, you want to cook them until you get a nice beautiful brown color on the top of both of your ham steaks. And you see how the pineapple makes a beautiful decoration, also adds flavor to our brown sugar ham. Now if you are lactose intolerant, you do not have to add the sweet milk. You can just bake it the regular way with the rub on it, and it's gonna turn out perfectly delicious. The milk just makes it tender, and you also have a crisp on it as well. You see that beautiful color? That's right. And it tastes very, very good. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of cooking with TK, of how to add some brown sugar flavor to your ham for Christmas. My family will enjoy this, and your family will enjoy it as well. So please, please, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, let me know what you would change about this recipe. And I hope to see you in the comments. Peace. Have a wonderful holiday season, everyone.